Dennis Tuttle and Regina Nicholas dead. And the man charged with their murders is former HPD narcotics officer Gerald Goines. Thank you for joining us. I'm Lisa Hernandez.
I'm Candace Burns. The announcement coming from a new judge on the case. KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz has broken several big stories on this case since the very beginning. He joins us now in the newsroom. Mario, how surprising is this latest development?
Candace, this is very surprising considering the case is far along in terms of where it stands in its legal path. But as you indicated, there is a new judge on this case, Veronica Nelson, and she is viewing things slightly differently than the previous judge. But it doesn't necessarily mean that Goines is out of the woods with the state just yet.
I think it's significant, but it is also exactly what is supposed to happen on a motion setting in a felony courtroom.
But for many, what happened is the unexpected. Gerald Goines, the man viewed by prosecutors as the mastermind behind the deadly raid on Harding Street, has his felony murder charges dismissed.
That the judge considered the constitutional law and the legal arguments from both sides in this case and decided that the charges or the indictment for both indictments for felony murder were constitutionally defective, and so she quashed them, which is a legal word for throwing them out.
The first comments to KPRC2 Investigates after the ruling was from the office of District Attorney Kim Ogg, telling us they are shocked and disappointed and that they are considering all their options.
Now we wait for the state to determine how they next want to proceed. They have choices. They can either appeal the judge's ruling or decide whether or not they want to press forward by trying to present the cases to a new grand jury.
The DA's office also says they are considering amending the indictment, hoping to try this case as soon as possible to help ensure justice for the victims of these crimes. The DA's office can also appeal the decision, according to legal experts I've spoken with throughout the course of this afternoon. Now, the DA's office tells me they have up to 20 days to do so if they go with the route of filing an appeal. Coming up at 6 o'clock, more reaction, including from the families of Dennis Tuttle and Regina Nicholas. Live in the newsroom, Mario Diaz, KPRC2 Investigates.